In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in Wix. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can quickly generate an API key and start using it with your apps or integrations. Make sure you're already logged into your Wix account before you begin so everything looks familiar and you don't get interrupted midway. First, look toward the top right corner of your Wix dashboard. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initial, a small avatar, or a profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your personal account, not just the specific site you're working on. It's important to start here, because API keys are managed at the account level. From the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Account Settings. This will take you out of your site's dashboard and into the broader account area. Give the page a moment to load. You should now see various sections that let you manage things like your personal details, security, and other global account preferences. Once you're on the account settings page, look for a section or a tab labeled API Keys. This is usually listed in the sidebar or among the navigation options within account settings. Click on API Keys. This area is dedicated to managing all of your API access, and it's where you'll be able to view existing keys or create new ones. On the API Keys page, you'll see an option that says Generate API Key. This is the button you need to create a new key. Click on Generate API Key. When you do this, Wix may prompt you to provide some details, like a name for the key or the specific permissions it should have. Give your key a clear descriptive name so you'll remember what you're using it for, such as the app or integration it's connected to. After you generate the key, Wix will display it once. This is your unique secret value, so copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager. Avoid sharing it publicly or sending it through insecure channels, because anyone with this key can access the parts of your Wix data that you've allowed. And that's it. You've navigated to your profile, opened your account settings, gone to the API key section, and generated a new API key in Wix.